Michelle's Garage. Let's make some earrings. These are just some cute little faces that I'd like to make on earrings. And we'll start by sawing them out. I'm going to be using my bench pin, a jeweler's saw, burr light, because anytime you're sawing or drilling or punching metal, it's good to keep the metal lubricated so it won't bind up and break your blade or seize up your bit. So anytime you're sawing metal, you want to saw straight away from yourself and situate so that you're at a height that's comfortable. You don't want to be aiming this way or up or anything crazy. So I'm going to avoid the circle. I'm just going around the face. So push yourself into the notch as far as you need to support your metal. So I have one face. The second face. I got bound up on the edge of the metal, so there's a little bit that I didn't get just right on this guy. I'll have to trim that away, but that should be easy. Okay, and I want to make a little mark where I want the drill hole. Take the paper off. The paper was stuck on there with rubber cement. I like using that because it takes the glare away when you're sawing. If you're working on a really shiny piece of metal, it's harder to watch your lines. Then we'll file the edges so it won't be painful to wear. So there's the three faces. Kind of a big hole, but then it'll dangle nicely. And I'm just going to flatten these a little bit.